Blue Link ERP allows you to control what permissions individual users have and therefore what they can and cannot do. So you can create users on the screen, and once you've created a user, you can actually control their permissions. The permissions are initially set up on a module by module basis, and within the modules there are various different functions. For example, on bank management, there are multiple different functions. If we scroll down for this particular user named Darren, you'll see that for order entry there are multiple functions, and for complex screens such as the sales order entry screen, we also give the ability to expand down to individual segments, or tabs, or sections, or panels of screens to decide what permissions users may have on those different panels. For further control of what a user can do, one can also double-click into the module and get a list of the individual screens or forms within that module and override the module level permission. So we can give people full access to purchase order, but then create exceptions in this particular panel for that user. Finally, we can also create permissions at the module level based on groups. We can create a group, for example, that is called accounting, and we can assign particular users to that group, and then we can control the permissions for that group, as you can see. Bear in mind that users and groups permissions might coincide with each other, but they might also contradict or supplement each other. So finally, for any individual user, if you want to know what the user's effective permissions are, you can go back to the user and click on effective permissions, and this will show you the combination of permissions they have based on both their individual permissions and the groups that you've assigned them to. This gives you very granular control over what users can and cannot achieve in the Blue Link ERP.